Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Fashion Plugin. This time on occasion of Rakhi, I wanted to share my Rakhi look with you all, which is very easy to wear, which is with minimal products and which is like very easy and very quick makeup. You can do this makeup in 5 minutes. So if you want to know how I have created this look, you have to watch my video till the end. So let's get started and see how I have created the look. First step of makeup is to apply a good moisturizer on your face. So the moisturizer which I am using today is this one, Pond's Light Gel. I have already talked about this particular moisturizer on my channel, so if you want to know more about it, you can check the review. I have already washed my face, so you have to always start with a clear canvas, or you can say clean canvas. Once moisturizer will get settled on your skin, we will move on to the primer. So now you can definitely color correct your face, but now I am not doing that because I want to show you the look which is with the minimal product, and you can easily do it at your home. And even if you're not going out, and still if you want to look good and if you want to do little bit of makeup, this makeup will help you out. That is why I'm not color correcting my face. I will directly jump onto the foundation. This is the foundation I'm using and the shade is 220. So I'm going to take a small pump of the foundation on my hand. I've taken about this much. I'm going to dot it all over on my face like this. So now you have to take a foundation blending brush. This one is from Real Technique, and you have to blend all your foundation. I am looking downwards because here I have mirror with me. Without mirror it will be very difficult for me to do my makeup. Okay, so we are done with the foundation. Now I am going to take Damn Beauty blender and I am going to dab it so that whatever extra product will be there will be properly get blended and will also be absorbed by the beauty blender, and your face will not look cakey. So that's it, we are done. And don't rush in this particular process. Take your good time, blend your foundation properly. So if you don't know how to blend your foundation or how to apply foundation on your face using beauty blenders and makeup brushes, you must watch my video. I'll be sharing that video here in iCard. In that video I have explained how to use beauty blenders and brushes to do your base. Now as we are done with the foundation, I am going to take concealer. The concealer which I am using is this one from Wet n Wild. This is their Photo Focus Color Corrector concealer. So I am going to take it and apply on all those places which I want to highlight. So I will be applying it under my eye area. So whatever dark spot or dark circle, little bit whatever I have, that will also go away because of it. And I will also apply a bit of it here. Now I am going to take this small beauty blender from PAC and I am going to properly dab it so that it get blended properly. Now I hope camera is capturing that this area, the nose area, the forehead area, like total my T-zone area including my under eye is highlighted now. It's a bit brightened now. Now we will be moving on for eyebrows. So for eyebrows I am going to use two products. So first I am going to fill in my eyebrow with this L'Oreal Paris eyebrow pencil, and then after that, to cover my gaps, I am going to use this Etude pencil eyebrow brush. I will be sharing all the links of all the products in description. So if you want to check any of these products, you can check out my description. Don't apply a lot of eyebrow pencil on your eyebrows, otherwise it's gonna look very fake. So be very gentle while applying eyebrow pencil. Now I am going to blend my eyebrows properly with this spoolie which was given with the eyebrow pencil. Now I am going to take this Etude pencil eyebrow filler, and I am going to fill in the places where I can see gaps. Now as we are done with our eyebrows, now what I am going to do, I am going to take the same concealer and I am going to apply it very lightly under my eyebrows. Now you have to take a very thin brush like this and you have to like blend it downwards towards your eyelashes. This is going to give you a very clean look to the eyebrow. Be very gentle and take your time to do all this work, otherwise you can ruin your eyebrow. Now I am going to take the small beauty blender and I am going to blend this area once with the beauty blender. I said that we are going to use very minimal products and we are going to create a very natural look, very go-to look which can be created on regular basis, like at any time. So for that, first of all, we are going to take a contour palette. You can take any contour palette which you have. So I am going to use one from Sugar. This is Sugar mini bronzer in Top Topper. So first, this is the shade of the bronzer. I am going to take the small brush. I am going to dip it in. So now we are going to use blush, and for blush I am using this L'Oreal True Match C56 True Match blush. So it comes with a brush. I am taking the same brush. Otherwise you can take some other brush as well. You have to smile a bit. Apply a little bit of blush here on your nose as well. It looks very cute and it also gives very natural look. Now we will be applying highlighter. So for the highlighter, again I am using brand Sugar and the shade is Champagne Champion. Actually I cannot find my highlighter brush, that is why I am using this brush. Otherwise you should always apply your highlighter using your highlighter brush. That's a fan brush. So I am going to take a small amount of it here. I am going to dust off the extra. It's a very nice highlighter. I think it's gonna suit almost all the skin type. It's very affordable as well. It's just for $2.99 or $3.99 I guess. And highlighters are something which will last you for good amount of time. Don't forget to apply it on your Cupid's bow, and you can also apply a little bit on your eyebrow. Now for our eyeshadow, I am going to use the same contour. So you don't have to invest in any eyeshadow palette. You don't have to use lot of product. Even if you are traveling, you can use do your makeup with the minimal things which you have. So I am using the same bronzer which is called Top Topper. You can see I am going to dip in my eyeshadow brush into it. The brush for eyeshadow which I am using is from ProArt. You can even skip kajal, but today I am in mood to apply kajal, so I am applying it. I am just going to apply kajal on outer corner of my eyes like this. Okay, see. So this is how I have applied the kajal and blended it with the eyeshadow brush. Now I am using this Lakme Insta eyeliner. This is an amazing eyeliner. It's very affordable and it's a very good eyeliner overall. So I am going to apply a very thin eyeliner with this particular liner. Lakme Insta eyeliner. So if you are looking for a good blue eyeliner, you can go for this one. Now the last step to finish our eye look is to apply mascara, and I'm using one from MAC. So you have to apply a good thick coat of it. This makeup is going to look good on all the skin type, and also if you are a college going girl, if you're a married girl, if you are mom to some kids, then also you can flaunt this look. So for lipstick I have 2-3 different options, but I'm a bit confused which one to apply. So today I am going with the shade Rose Nuance from L'Oreal. I have bought it recently and I wanted to apply it, and as you know that we cannot travel right now, so because of these videos I get chance to try new products, and I also get chance to wear my makeup. It's an amazing lipstick. The formula of the lipstick is amazing. It's very creamy, pigmented, and very moisturizing at the same time. Otherwise matte lipsticks are always so drying for your lips. So guys, this is the final look which I have created. I have wore these jhumkas. If you want to wear any accessories like necklace, mangtikas, that's totally up to you, but I like my look to be simple and subtle. That's why I wore these jhumkas, which was gifted to me by my mom. So this was the final look. I hope that you have liked this video, and if you I hope that you have also liked this look. If you have liked this look, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and you can even share this particular look with your friends and family so that they can also get ready and look so pretty. So you can also follow me on my other social media handles. All the links will be given in the description section. So that's it. Until next time, Fashion Plugin signing off. Bye bye, take care, and don't forget to comment about my today's look if you liked it.